Hi, I'm Healy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Backyard Shenanigans video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Backyard Shenanigans special edition Hurricane Hilary garden prep video. Y'all, and I swear out the corner of my eye and my ear, I hear that fig beetle. I'm trying to be cool, y'all, but let me hurry up and record this video. I wanted to show you, so we just really like cleaned up the area a little bit. You see we got all of the weeds and all of the dead branches and stuff from the aloe vera. We got that cleared up. We moved a lot of the trees that was in pots and stuff, and we got a contractor in the house, so that's the people you hear in the background. But we took the trees, so the two orange trees, the limit, wait, hold on, what the other orange tree? Okay, all right, yeah, the two orange trees, the lemon tree, the cherry tree, the peppers, the cobra peppers, the hibiscus, of course the two starter trays. I just, y'all, and look in there if you could see. Hopefully the camera is showing y'all this. These sprouts is sprouting, these seeds is sprouting and starting, and I gotta hurry up because, you know, the area to put them is not ready yet. But everything is like growing so fast. Here, you don't normally see this pepper tree because like it's in the back, but I got the yellow peppers, orange peppers, bell peppers. They turning all the colors of the rainbow because I can't hardly, you know, keep up with picking them and trying to eat them. The cherry tree in the background, like I said, the hibiscus, the patio tomatoes. So like the small things, and as much as we could fit on a patio, you know, we brought it. Y'all, look at this lettuce. Look at this lettuce. So this is the Paris Island Cos. This is the butter crunch. You can't even see the sign. And this is the red romaine lettuce. These are the leeks. They're kind of small, some of them, but these are the leeks that was in the raised bed with the tomatoes. And these are some like the herbs and stuff that I had, you know, planted. We pulled everything up. This is the 15-gallon sweet potato bucket, y'all, that I still have not dumped over. I keep saying I'm gonna do it. The potatoes probably all shriveled up, but they still have some green. I should have been did it, y'all. I'm gonna get it. Again, the black cobra peppers. Let me just back up to show you. Like, we tried to put as much as we could on the patio just to protect it. We sifted soil and put that in the trash cans. And let me just show you how we cleaned up the main garden area. My bad for not like turning the camera landscape. I had it portrait, but you see all of this is cleaned up. So the the left and right 4x4 raised beds, they are totally broken down. The yellow pallets are pulled up from that. That's the wheelbarrow on the ground. We pulled out everything. So this is the 8x4 raised bed, which is divided into two 4x4s. You can see that. The hummingbirds just giving me a heart attack, flying fast and looking like the fig beetle at first, but then I really know that they're not. Y'all, and all of these birds, so a whole bunch of birds have come around since we pulled up this these raised bed. They must have like worms and grubs and stuff under there because the birds been out here like 90 going west. We took everything that we had that was kind of in this whole front area, and we just put it behind here to brace it in case the winds and stuff pick up the rain. We don't want anything blowing out of our yard into somebody else's yard, damaging somebody else's property, hitting somebody. We don't want none of that. And plus, y'all, I'm gonna be reusing all of that. So all of this stuff is behind there. And then of course the apple tree, of course the trees that's in the ground, we gonna leave them there. Y'all, this apple tree, I don't know the last time I showed y'all this apple tree like up close or what, but the apples are this whole tree is just out of control. Y'all remember when I was saying it was like March time frame and I barely had 2 leaves to rub together on this tree? And now look at the leaves, apples everywhere. Apples all over everywhere, bending the branches. Now if you'll see, I think I tried to show this another time, like I had to clamp some of the branches together because we were not able to get through this space right here. And as you can see, like it's not a real large space, but you know, we needed to get through here, so we clamped up some of the branches and stuff. And apple wood is, you know, pretty malleable and bendable, so nothing snapped or broke. And that's that, y'all. Ain't Jerry's garden for real, y'all, for real. Hummingbirds, yes, y'all on camera, I see y'all. I was thinking about taking the hummingbird feeders down, y'all, but I think I'm gonna leave them up. Because if the hummingbirds come out, like if they have a break between the weather, I want them to be able to come and get their food, you know, so I'm not going to take them down. This is the dwarf lemon tree. I have a lot of green lemons that's starting up on this tree. You can't really see them because all of the leaves and stuff is green. I'm taking some significant damage from the large swallowtails and other bugs laying their eggs on the lemon leaves, but it's not damaging the fruit. This is my hummingbird feeder, my hummingbird bath, and I was wondering what happened to the bird bath. But if you could see, like, the straw split. Let me see if I could. It's not gonna focus, but they have a slit in the straw, and that's what's happening with that. Y'all remember the mystery plant? Y'all remember when it was barely like 2 leaves? I got flowers, I got stuff growing. Now it done connected and tendrilled on to this flower plant, y'all. This is some kind of flower, I don't know what kind, but this thing just keep growing. It's humongous. I'm trying to do this quick because I need to get back inside. Like I said, we got contractors and stuff over here, so I need to get back inside. Just want to give you a quick showing of everything, y'all. This mystery tomato, like, I don't even know what this thing is, y'all. I don't know what this is. I thought it was a tomato. I think it's a tomato. I don't know what's going on, y'all. My sunbright peppers, I planted several seeds and it looked like only one plant is making it so far. I got, these are the purple beauty sweet peppers, tam jalapeno peppers, the Jerusalem artichoke, which is just growing and growing and growing. This is some herbs back here. This is the spearmint. This is the miracle leaf, y'all. I cannot believe how big this thing is when it was just so small before. This was where the red romaine lettuce was, but we took it out and put it under the patio. These are just some onions. I don't even know where they came from, y'all, but I saw them like trying to grow up and I planted them here, and this is like their new home. I guess this is this flower like trying to grow again out of this pot, y'all. I don't know. This y'all, just let me just see if I can back up enough. Look at Aunt Jerry's garden, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Today is Saturday, August 19th, I believe. It's Saturday, so whatever date is close around the 19th and Saturday, it is Saturday, so I think it's the 19th. But look at how everything is growing. I think I mentioned in a video not too long ago, I have peppers, beans starting to grow in on all of the bean plants. I do not want to get in here too close, y'all, because if something fly from out of here, y'all know I'm going to lose my mind. But they have beans in here. They got little beans growing everywhere, y'all. I have cantaloupe in here, watermelon, cucumbers, sunflower, beans, and probably some other stuff that I can't remember right now. So we really just like cleaned up this area. Nothing on the table. These are the yellow pallets that we took down from in the front by the 8x4 and a 4x4. These are the sweet potatoes. So this is a 45-gallon grow bag of the sweet potatoes. And y'all, the leaves is still green. They're not dying. No flowers. These things have been planted for since last September. Wow, y'all, September 26th of last year is when I first planted the sweet potatoes. And it's about to be like a whole year. Oh no, I'm hoping that they got some potatoes down there, y'all. Some sweet potatoes. This is the Japanese sweet potatoes. The ones that's purple on the outside and cream on the inside. This is our earthworm little grow bag. It just happened to become that by mistake. It wasn't on purpose. These are the two great plants, and we decided to leave them. Y'all, I don't know. I'm kind of nervous about if the wind blows, you know, like too hard, that it's going, I don't know. I'm kind of nervous about this, but this is what we have, and we just gonna leave it like this. The strawberries, oh my goodness, I need to water these strawberries. They started sprouting out, y'all. I can't concentrate right now because I'm steady, you know, focusing on to see if that beetle gonna fly around. The buckets that we had laying up, we laid them down, you know, just thinking about if something could blow in the wind. We trying to prevent that from happening. I told y'all that the tomato that was growing out of the compost bin, y'all, they gave up the ghost. I just 100% forgot about it, and you know, it died. This is how the yard looks just from this perspective. And really, y'all, I just want to do a quick, just like a little quick thing to show you how we preparing the garden for Hurricane Hilary. So it's supposed to hit landfall sometime between tonight and early in the morning, and some reports say that it'll be either a weak category 1 or it'll be like a strong tropical storm. So, you know, we'll see. But this has, you know, kind of sped up the progress with revamping this whole area. Now that some of this is clear, I can show you. You see how this is like a downslope, and you see, you know, like the difference in the height. I need to level all of this out. So this whole area is like a downslope, and I want to level all of this out. This will give me at least like a foot more of space, 12 to 18 inches of space, and I'm gonna bring the whole area over this way to the edge of the pavers. That'll give me that much more space, which I already calculated to the new setup for the raised bed. But everything is out of these beds. All of this soil has to be sifted. Now this bed is 2 feet high, 24 inches, so that's a lot of soil. All of this has to be sifted. This has to be broken down. Then I can level out the ground, extend my growing space, build the raised beds on top of the yellow pallets, lay down my landscaping fabric, you know, and just build it back up, and then get ready for these seedlings. So yeah, y'all, that's it. That's just what I wanted to show you. But I cannot believe Aunt Jerry's garden, y'all. And they do, I don't know if you could see in there, but they do have little cucumbers growing. So many flowers for cucumbers. I was concerned that because this area, even though it gets full sun, it still gets a fair amount of shade also. But I don't know why I was concerned, because I've been growing in this area since we moved in this house. Matter of fact, my first garden I grew in the ground here, and then I decided to do raised beds afterwards. So I don't know why I was concerned. And even if I was, obviously there's no need to be concerned. The cantaloupe and the watermelon, I believe, are 2021 seeds. Everything else in here is 2022, I believe. Y'all, nothing is lacking. Look at how high. I'm so glad I put this chicken wire back here, because the cucumbers are definitely taking advantage. I am constantly feeding them back through on this side of the chicken wire, because I don't want, look at this, I don't want what happened to me last year when I had a cucumber that actually grew through the chicken wire, and I lost it because I let it grow too big and it squeezed through the chicken wire and grew out on the other side. I hear y'all. I see y'all. Y'all, let me get back inside. Look at that. Look at all of these apples. Look at all of these apples, y'all. I promised myself I wasn't gonna make this video too long. I should have uploaded my natural hair video, I believe, early this morning. I have a vlog in a car that I recorded yesterday that I'm trying to get up today, and then this one. So I try to upload in the order that I record, but I might skip those two videos and upload this one like right now, because I just want y'all to see. And depending on how the weather look, I might come on and do like a live stream, or I might just do maybe a YouTube short or something and just record, you know, if the weather is anything significant to show. If it's not, then I won't. This green container over here, that's actually a water catcher. So we put bricks in the bottom to make sure that it doesn't like blow over with the wind, and then hopefully we'll actually get to fill this up with some water. So, but yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show you this right quick, and that's enough. Let me go ahead and end this video. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this Backyard Shenanigans special edition Hurricane Hilary garden prep video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.